Our downfall stems from our love of money and riches instead of our devotion toward each other, our love for nature, and ourselves as well. Our minds, bodies, and souls are out of sync with the natural process of sharing, caring, giving, and loving. I will be the first to admit I myself have fallen victim to the selfish behavior of putting riches and self-interest before others in nature. Once this is understood, not only is it embarrassing, but can be disheartening. The problems we see today is a result from our past disobedience to ourselves, others, and nature. To understand the coin in its totality, there are two sides, a material side and a spiritual side. Please understand that we are spiritual beings first in a material body. So accordingly, our spiritual bank account should be more focused on than our material bank account. Furthermore, all things are possible. The key to balancing your spiritual material account is to work with love, honestly, and passion, and give half. It all comes back in not just paper, credit, and coins. It comes back in more abundant ways that you cannot imagine. This site is powered by passion and ruled by karma. No longer do our love of riches and pleasures rule us. We now know that the energy you put out is the energy you will see. A new way of business and thinking is present. Welcome to greenernow.org.